guys, welcome back to my channel. It's fall, y'all, and you guys know that I love me some Mickey. So this year I'm trying to put some Mickey with some farmhouse with all that good stuff. Today we are making this adorable guy, and not only is he adorable on this side, but he's adorable on this side too. So he is a reversible Mickey decor that we did. I actually shot this live on Facebook. I go live every Tuesday morning on Facebook and do a craft with you guys. We hang out, we get to know each other. It's a lot of fun, but I end up doing a really fun craft. However, if you don't want to do that and you just want to see the craft, I will be editing them together into videos for you guys on YouTube, and that's what you're seeing today. So today we are making this adorable guy. Let's get going. Check out my blog, auntietay.com, if you want to know my full schedule and when you can find me live, when you don't have to find me live, and all those things. So let's get going. We're going to be using 3 different size pumpkins, so you can get the pumpkins from anywhere, but because we're using zip ties, it needs to have some way to hold a zip tie. And these I got from Michael's, and then I got the floral arrangement from Michael's as well. Hot glue, and a lot of people were asking me where I get my hot glue gun, I actually was given this hot glue gun by AdTech at Creativation, and it's my favorite hot glue gun ever. It's a high temp hot glue gun, and it uses these big guys, which means I can craft for a while before I have to replace it, and I love it. I love that. And then it also comes with like a couple different tips. So I put it in my Amazon store, you guys. I put it under crafting essentials. It's only for like serious crafters though. Don't buy this unless you're a serious crafter, because it's a really good hot glue gun, and it's hot. Like I took me like a week to realize you can't touch this. Like, can't touch it. No. I hit it with the back of my hand because it's so high up, and I'm used to just like my little dingly one sitting on the ground. But this one, like, it hurts. But, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick a zip tie into this pumpkin somewhere on the side and just try to get it to come out like this, okay? So, easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is actually a really fast and easy craft. Fast and easy, guys. And this one's a little bit more expensive, but if you find pumpkins that will work for this, I'm gonna do the ears going this way, I think. Just like the head at Disneyland, okay? Plus, well, okay, hold on. So then I need to get it going that way a little bit so that I can get it through some of this. And you want to get it through a couple of them so it's more sturdy. It matters more where we put the second one, because as long as you get him where the ear actually is, and we'll kind of reinforce him with maybe some hot glue. Okay, so I'm gonna just zip tie this guy on there really good, nice and tight, and then we'll reinforce him to get him exactly where we want him with the hot glue in a second. So I put a couple zip ties if you want to do another zip tie somewhere, but I'm a bit more picky. I'm going to make sure I get the zip tie going the same direction in the same symmetrical side, because I'm going to cover all the zip ties with flowers. Come on, come on. I don't know if I want to zip tie them or if I just want to maneuver and glue. Maneuver and glue, maneuver and glue. Let's maneuver and glue. We don't need more zip ties, because what if I want to leave this guy and I just want to put a couple flowers? Like, what if it looks weird with a ton of flowers? Temp, it takes a second to dry, but that's okay. So it's kind of like seeping into all the little pieces, and it's gonna hold it together. Still taking forever. Once it's like kind of cloudy is when it's dry. He's ready for some flowers. So what I'm doing to get these off is because there's wires in them, I just go back and forth and bend them over and over so I don't kill my scissors. But you can like bend it like this so it's out of the way, and then you can bend it back and forth. So I get it till the wire breaks, and then I use my scissors to cut the rubber portion of that off. All right, my hand is very sore now because that was a lot. But it's good for 2 crafts. So we've got 2. I'm gonna separate them into 2 different piles with pretty much the same flowers. So you go do it. Okay, so I was going to think if I could just stick these in and not even glue them. This might even be like a no glue craft. And we'll probably have to glue a little bit to reinforce things. So I'm just gonna stick them in and kind of arrange them how I think they're cute. Okay, so I don't want to squish them. I want to make sure they're nice and full in there, but I also don't want to disguise the fact that it's ears. I want to make sure you know that it's Mickey ears, you know? You can also make these stems a lot shorter so you don't have so much in the back. But really, guys, I'm not having to glue nothing on here. I'm just kind of like sticking these in and then bending the wire around it so that it holds. And then I'm going to use all the extra ones. And I think I'm going, oh, this is so cute. Oh, I did it again. No, I don't do this often, but I'm going to. I'm going to start doing actual decor that I want in my house instead of ridiculous amounts of glitter Mickey ears that I'm never going to do anything with except go to Disneyland with them. Do yours how you want to do yours. And that's the fun about crafting is you could literally have the same things, but everybody's turns out a little bit different. Be center of attention. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze that guy. That's a lot of flowers, but the other side's not that many flowers. So then just give it a look and make sure that I'm gonna do some leaves down here because the back of this flower looks really weird. I'm gonna put some leaves down here. Guys, I wanna see your pictures if you make this. He's so cute.